All right, next thing I want to talk to you about is the mastering site here. So let me go over there. I've already got it up. This is our mastering site. Now, if you have not already, because I don't know what you have, there's a handout on the website of instructions for registering for mastering this semester, okay? Basically, really all you need is the course ID, which is my last name, Mucharo 07777, okay? So that's on there. It's also in the title. I think if you searched my last name, it would probably come up. I don't know, but you need to register for that and register for that course, okay? And then you'll have to buy the access. You get 2 weeks temporary, but then you got to buy it. I think it's $40, or I think there's a $80 for a year. I don't know. I tried to keep the materials for this course inexpensive. I think that's the only material you're going to have to buy, because I'm using an open textbook, which is free to you guys. And yes, we are going to be using mastering the same exact, well, let me put it this way. We're using the same exact textbook. There will be another course with assignments, but it's the same textbook and everything. So if you buy the year access, if you bought the year access, I think you're already able to register into it and use that textbook, but yes. Okay. So please do that, because we have an assignment due on mastering tomorrow. Starts today, it's due tomorrow night, okay? Okay, so let me go back to that module and just see if there was anything else in there I needed to cover. I don't think there is.
Oh, I have a question.
Yeah, Alan, what's up, buddy?
Yeah, so if we already have the mastering from last semester, I can just sign in, put in the access code that I bought, and then your course ID, right?
I believe so.
Okay.
Let me just put it this way. If you bought the 1 year access at the beginning of fall, it's my understanding that you should be able to use any course which is using those materials. And so for both our lab and for the spring semester, which I haven't put up yet, but I'm going to start working on in the next week or two, you should be able to just put in my course, log in, and have full access. Okay.
Okay, so that
Please let me know if there's a problem with that, because again, I'm not, mastering is a third-party provider, and I'm not an expert on it, but I'm just using what my understanding would be. Okay.
Okay, and so that way, if I have the 1 year access, that way I don't need to buy the access code, right?
I believe not. I don't believe you need to buy another access code. You should have access to this course.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because I've had mastering ever since actually since 2 years, ever since when I took general chemistry. I've been using it. So yeah.
Yep. Okay, so you know what? I've got to put the link for the textbook. The textbook we're not going to use it for our first assignment anyways, but I got to put it up here. I realized I uploaded the file and forgot to put the link in. Okay, so